What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this baby oscillating flasher. Yeah, we're going to be using an origami piece of paper. So now let's fold in half. Now we're going to be unfolding and we're going to be folding this edge right here to the center crease. So now we're going to be repeating on this side. Yeah, we're going to be folding this edge right here to this edge. So now we're going to be repeating on this edge to this edge again. So now we're going to be turning it over right over here. So now we're going to be folding this edge to this crease. So now we're going to be repeating on this edge again. So now it should look like this. Now we're going to be folding this right here and just squeeze it. Now we're going to be repeating on this side. I'm going to rotate it, and now we're going to fold it in half on this side. Not on this side, but on this side. Now, unfold. Now we're going to fold this edge again to this center crease. Oh, wait. Now we're going to be repeating on this edge again. So now we're going to be folding this edge again to this edge. After you've done that, we're going to be repeating on this side. So now it should look like this. Now we're gonna be turning it over on the other side. Now we're gonna be folding this edge on this center crease right here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Now we're gonna be repeating on this side. Now it should look like this. Now we should fold this grease. So now it should look like this. So now we should be opening. So now it should look like this. These creases. So now we're turning it over on this side, and we're gonna be folding only one fold. We're just gonna be folding that and folding this on this grease and on this grease. So now it should look like this, right here. So now we're going to be making the flasher. This is a little bit tricky. So I'm going to just put it right here. You see that middle square? Right there. We're going to be folding this grease right here. See this? And now let's fold, I think this grease. We'll be folding this grease. Now let's do it on this grease. So now it should look like this a little bit. I'm just gonna crease the middle grease. So now it should look like this. And now, this is a little bit tricky again. So now you see this, right? So now I think we should be following this crease. So now we should be doing this crease right here. You see this crease, right? See that crease? We're gonna be making it come out and fold. So now it should look like this, and we're gonna be turning it over and crease this. So now we should be repeating on this side. Make a long crease. Now let's do it like that. So now let's repeat on all of the sides. And this side, this side, this side, and this side. So now it should look like this when you've done it all. And now turn over this and creasing these creases. So now it should look like this. It looks so cool. So now we should be making this. This is a little bit tricky. See this? It's just like that before, and now we're gonna be making it right here. We're gonna make a valley fold. And just grease it if it looks like this. We're gonna be repeating it over on this side. So now we should be doing this crease right here. You see this crease, right? See that crease? We're gonna be making it come out and fold. So now it should look like this, and we're gonna be turning it over and crease this. So now we should be repeating on this side. Make a long crease. Now let's do it like that. So now let's repeat on all of the sides. And this side, this side, this side, and this side. So now it should look like this when you've done it all. And now turn over to this and creasing these creases. So now it should look like this. It looks so cool. So now we should be making this. This is a little bit tricky. See this? It's just like that before, and now we're gonna be making it right here. We're gonna make a valley fold. And just grease it if it looks like this. We're gonna be repeating it over on this side. It should look like this. And now we're gonna be folding this up like that, like we did on this side. So now we're gonna be repeating on this side. There's the last more side, one more side, and then so now we're just turning on this side, crease this, and putting it on this. One more. This, oh, we're done. We're done. Now we're just gonna make the creases look good.
Wait, napon imong flashes sa gina na. Flash sige dua.
It should look not that good in this side, but we're just gonna make it look good.
Oh, Mommy, I'm hungry. I eat orange.
Should look like this when you're done. I'm just gonna crease this last crease, and now once you have it like this, we're just gonna push this in and put it like that. Now we should be done. This is how your flashers. Peace out.